W stream, are you guys enjoying the stream today? Whoa! Some motherfucker. Whoa! You should have been live when you saw that. What's up? Come back. Come back. Come back. What'd you say? What did you say? Hey, back the fuck. What's up? Why are you punching me? I'm a what? Why are you saying that? Can I touch the statue? So you think it's okay to be physically assaulting somebody?
Yeah, you're in my country, buddy.
Listen, but you can't physically assault me. You come to America, you think I'm gonna assault you?
So
what the fuck is that?
Different country, buddy.
So you cannot touch me. You wanna go to jail right now?
Yeah, whatever.
You wanna go to jail? You wanna go to jail? You want me to call the police right now?
Hey, you want to piece of me?
Back the fuck up.
You're
in front of the police station right here, bro.
Hey,
you're in front of the fucking police station right now. What the fuck are you doing? Why don't you talk and have a conversation? Have a conversation and talk. Take the mask off. You're not a man. You hiding with a fucking mask. Hit better next time, nigga.